If I have enemies who want me dead, let's say I've annoyed the Turks and I'm in London, I know how to not get caught. But the girl with her Instagram story, with the corner of the napkin, didn't know. Now I'm toast.
Right.
She tits a selfie up in the hotel. They recognized the hotel. Now they're waiting outside. Toast. If I had to catch and find someone, and he knew I was after him, I'd just find who his girls are. Who's he fucking? Boom, follow them. And
it's easy.
bro, it's easy. It's so easy because women have no OPSEC.
It's
They
funny
don't-
'cause
none,
I've seen
and
it
they
firsthand as well.
Bro, they care more about their Instagram likes than your life.
Yep.
That woman you're in love with, that woman you'll do anything for, cares more about getting likes on her Instagram than you getting stabbed to death. Because if you say to her, don't post that, there's people after me. Well, it's just a picture. I go get my likes. Likes aren't even money. They're not even money. We mean likes.
Who gives a fuck?
Who cares? They're gonna kill me. Oh, but it's a coffee cup. It's cute, bro. And you're in love with her.